Hello everyone, my name is Gilbert Matos and welcome to Art Games and Tech. In this video, I will be covering the new layer system for Tilesetter 2.0. In version 2.0, whenever we create a new project, we're met with a layer from the get-go. Layers will help you better organize your levels by keeping each element in its respective group. You can create new layers by pressing the plus sign. Keep in mind that this new layer will always be created at the top. You can scroll up and down by pressing W or S. You can also drag layers up and down by left-clicking the double-dotted vertical lines in order to rearrange them. You have to remember that layers that are at the top will show above other layers. You also have the option of renaming your layers so that things are a lot more organized. If you want to delete a layer, just go ahead and click on this little icon. Now, let's go ahead and add some elements to our layers to show you how they work. First, I changed my grid size to 32 by 32 because the sprites that I'm using are that size. After that, I copied them and pasted them into Tilesetter. Once you're ready, all you have to do is select the layer that you want to use and then start drawing. There you have it, folks. That is a layer system in the new Tilesetter 2.0. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.